The only thing better than being realistic is being positive. Don't be that kind of person that when they tell you the solution to the problem, you tell them the problem of the solution. Welcome to 2 Minutes on Tuesdays with Charles, your weekly tonic that has the capability to turn things around. We've been discussing various keys to becoming outstanding. Befriend data, learn processes and systems, build on your intuition, raise people capital. But today, let's talk about being positive. What does it mean to be positive? It means looking at possibilities. You can be positive by asking the right questions, such as, how can it work? Where can it work? When can it work? With whom can it work? What can make it work? It's important that every single person who wants to be outstanding reflects on what will move the needle and progress the conversation. What's wrong in looking at the best case scenario rather than stewing in the worst case scenario? So this week, go about all your affairs with a positive outlook, with a positive perspective. No matter how grim the situation may look, it can be green. Again, the world is filled with those who are standing. Few are outstanding, and you can be one of them. I'll see you next week.